What are we talking about? Well, what should we talk about? I don't know. Where is everybody? Have you ordered anything yet? Well, how do you think we all got here? I was ordered on Amazon. Ha ha, I was bought. Well, where's your big brother, Redbird? Well, he's in Tokyo, fighting off the Japanese pigs. Well, I'm gonna go get our new egg. Look at our egg. Well, where's Whitebird at? Oh, he's still laying eggs. I'm almost done! Yeah. Yuck. Why does it have holes in it? When Whitebird was delivering it, it kind of spoke up. Let's just hope the pigs don't steal it. Or that lion. Oh, I'm gonna steal the egg. But I just gotta find a new hiding spot. Yeah, that guy was so different than the pigs. True that. I wonder where he is. Hey, let's go to sleep. Okay. Let's leave our egg out here. Okay. Nighttime. Oh, I'm gonna steal the egg. Where did I go? Oh no! Where did I go? Ah! Guys! Oh, where did our egg go? Where did our egg go? I don't know. Are you kidding me? It had to be the lion. But he's way different than the pigs. Yeah. Still. But he stole our eggs. Shut up, Boomerang Bird. You are so dumb. Okay, this time we sneak up at nighttime. Okay. But we gotta figure out a plan. Yeah, but how? Some type of way we have to think of it. True. I'll keep watch. I'll give you the signal, and then we all attack him, okay? That sounds like a plan. Yep. Okay, let's go. Let's get ready. Let's go get ready. Come on. Okay. He's coming. I am so happy with my egg. I'm so happy with my egg. So happy. Okay, it's almost there. Oops. Hey, this will be a night you will not forget. I got an egg. Oops. here's our egg. Our perfect little egg. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe. I was gonna say that, you dummy. Okay, please subscribe before everything starts going out of control. Oh! Yeah. Oh! I want to say it. I want to say subscribe. Okay, how about we just all say it? Please subscribe. Subscribe. Comment. I was gonna say that. Please comment, subscribe, and add likes to this video. Please add video and get me out of here. Want me to blow you up again? Ah! Or ow! Thank you for watching.